Filing na petition. With petition number with teacher. With petition number with teacher. Soptika se I have prostate.
This is like a decent foundation.
Court one has already moved. Already charged. Oh, 7 this morning. Maybe because of our emergency. May it please, my lord.
Yes.
Lordship, I have a unlisted motion of extreme urgency, Lordship.
What is the other urgency?
Lordship, Viva is to be conducted on Monday, Lordship. And my selection, which was declared on 22nd of May, Lordship, it has been cancelled by the NSSP after they have tinkered with the educational qualification by issuing an impugned corrigendum on 23rd of May, Lordship. Actually, the education qualification was only A&M, 2 years course. It is clearly reflected in the advertisement.
A&M
Yes.
in the advertisement.
Yes, Lordship.
Then what happened?
Then somebody made a representation, and the NSSP, they changed they included another educational qualification, that is
Before the interview or after?
after the result was declared.
After the result was declared, they introduced a different
Yes,
qualification.
yes, Lordship.
Okay. Okay.
And my selection was cancelled.
On the basis of the qualification introduced.
Yes, Lordship, and somebody else was selected, Lordship. And the Viva is to be conducted on Monday, Lordship. Coming Monday, 1st July. So today is the
Who are
last.
the petitioners?
The petitioners are those persons who were selected, Lordship.
Who was selected and
subsequently cancelled by the court in the because they added the new education qualification.
okay, let us.
My lord. Obliged.
For admission, item number 1.
May I please, my lord?
Yes,
Lordship, I'm submitting on behalf of Mr. N. Angami for respondent number 1. We pray that the at least after 2 weeks, Lordship, I'm informed that matters under consideration, Lordship, for compliance with the honorable court order.
yes. Mr. MT, if it is under consideration,
My lord. Under consideration, yes, one aspect of the matter, but one fact remains that this honorable court order, there are 2 court orders, which is given specific 3 months. Prior to his retirement, he approached this court. And this honorable court has given 3 months. For
3 months, 3 months for?
For regularization.
Okay, okay.
Then, without regularization, he was released, superannuation. So, the petitioner approached this court. In this court, by order dated 23/8/2022, specifically another to regularize for pension within 3 months. So put together, there are 2 orders of this giving 3 months, in another 3 months. Then they are sitting over it. On the predicts of this committee or that committee, this honorable court order cannot be decided by a committee.
We'll give you a date for compliance. For compliance. Okay? Not to place any instructions, not to make a submission that the government is considering.
Lordship,
We'll give you a time for compliance. As it is, time has lapsed.
what is instructed, the matter has been sent to MRC.
That is, we are not
That is
bothered
the
about it.
thing.
We are not
Court
bothered about
order
it.
is court order.
If you are agree by the court order, you appeal
Yes.
or you go for review. That is the only option left. Sending for MRC or sending for cabinet decision, that is not the concern of this court. The concern of this court is whether the order passed by the court has been complied or not. That's all. So we give you some time. We give you sufficient time
Lordship.
for compliance. If not, we issue notice for contempt. Okay, Mr. Moza, you are for?
For the AG Lordship, as far as my role is concerned, the Accountant General Lordship, unless the state settle the matter, we cannot finalize the pension because we are just authenticating our authority. So a specific direction may be given to the state Lordship. And accordingly, we, as if the state, they comply with the order Lordship, then only we can process with the pension.
Which is that order? Which is that order, Mr. MT?
My lord, second order is.
Second order.
Yes. It starts from page 20. Annexure 4.
And process for regularization that has been stated since 2020. So I think that will not be a ground now. Even the order dated this passed in WPC 161 reflects that there is a submission that the process for regularization is on. So I think ultimately you have to comply since you have not appealed.
My
Heard Mr. M.T. Longchar, learned counsel for the petitioner. And Mr. N. Angami, K. Angami, learned counsel, appearing on behalf of Mr. N. Angami, learned senior government advocate. Stop. Also heard Mr. N. Muzu, learned counsel for the
Respondent number 8.
respondent number 8. Stop. The present contempt petition has been filed for non-compliance of the order dated 23/8/2022 as by this court in WPC 161/2020.
Lordship, if I may interrupt, in this case, Lordship, if it may be listed next Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, so that my learned, my colleague may be able to apprise the exact position of the,
We are going by records. We are not recording any of your submission. We are going by records. Yes, ma'am, what was that last?
Passed by this court in WPC 161/2025.
Yes, okay, thank you. The operative portion of the order dated 23/8/2022 reads as follows. Quote para 8 of in page 23, contempt petition. Today, when the matter is listed, a submission has been made on behalf of Mr. N. Angami, the learned senior government advocate, that the process for regularization of the service of the petitioner as work charge employees is under consideration. Stop. This court had observed, this court has observed that the same submission was made by the learned senior government advocate and incorporated in the order dated 23/8/2022. Stop. No appeal/review has been filed by the state respondents against the order dated 23/8/2022, passed in WPC 161/2022. Stop. It is therefore incumbent on the state respondents to comply with the order dated 23/8/2022. To unconditionally comply with the order dated 23/8/2022. In view of the observation made above, how much time?
Lordship, in that case, 3 months, Lordship. Because if it is, I don't know whether this category falls under, there's a bulk case going on in another pension case. It's going in bulk, including many numbers of employees. So in that case, even he's
8 weeks, 2 months. In view of the observation made above, the respondents more particularly the respondent number 2, 2, 3, and
Three.
4.
info,
2, 3, and 4.
my lord.
Are given 8 weeks' time to comply with the order dated 23/8/2023. Failing which notice for contempt shall be issued on the said respondents. Give a date listed on after 6 weeks, 8 weeks.
2 months, at best. September, September,
3rd September,
my lord.
listed on 3/9/2024. Okay? Yes.
Much obliged.
For admission, item number 2.
Lordship, even here, state has preferred appeal and the pending, and appeal is pending. Lordship, appeal number.
Is it so, Mr.
yes, sir.
Lima?
Lordship, in the appeal, the delay was condoned by your Lordship.
Okay, since appeal has been filed, let us at least wait for some time.
Or Lordship, this condemned petition may be listed after the disposal of condemned,
After disposal of the,
the appeal.
what is that appeal number?
16 of 2023,
WA 16 of
2022.
2023. Third, Mr. Lima Wabong, learned counsel for the petitioner, and Mr. K. Hangami, learned senior government advocate, appearing for the state respondents. For all the respondents,
Yes, Lordship. Yes. Keeping, the commissions with. Oh, no, Lordship, 1 and 3, only 1 and 3, Lordship. 1 and 3, Lordship.
appearing for the respondent number 1 and 3. Appeal against the order dated 26/4/2022 passed in this WPC 229.
Yes, Lordship.
It is submitted by the learned counsel for the parties that read appeal number 16/2023 has been filed against the order dated 26/6/2022 passed in WPC 229/2021. Stop. List the present case after the disposal of WA 16/2023.
Lordship, Lordship.
For admission, item number 3.
Yes,
Lordship, here I have yet to find affidavit in reply. Kindly allow me for 3 weeks' time
you are representing
for petitioner.
petitioner.
Yes,
Okay. You want to file a reply affidavit,
yes, Lordship.
Mr. Senso? Learned counsel for the petitioner submits that. He may be allowed 2 weeks' time to file reply affidavit to the affidavit in opposition filed by the respondents. Prayer is allowed, listed accordingly.
For admission, item number 4.
My pleasure, Lordship.
Yes.
Lordship, on behalf of Esmere, kindly lead this matter after 1 week.
Yes, Mary is representing
For the
state.
Lordship,
Okay,
Lordship, I have no objection.
MS so-and-so, learned counsel, makes a mention on behalf of MS Esmery, the learned senior government advocate for the state respondents, and seeks adjournment of the case for a week. Listed accordingly. Okay.
Lordship, there's an interim.
The interim order passed of due shall continue till the next returnable date. Okay.
Lordship.
For orders, item number 5.
Yes,
Your Lordship, it's for contempt petition.
yes, where is V Socre?
Lordship, in that case, sometime maybe can grant that to her for the necessary instruction, Lordship.
V Socre is representing 1, 2, and 3.
Lordship, actually, I have no idea, Lordship.
Mr. Kiangani, learned counsel, makes a mention on behalf of MSV Socre, learned additional AG, for the respondents, and seeks for 3 weeks' time to receive instructions and to file affidavit if so advised. Prayer is allowed, listed after 2 weeks.
Pleasure, Lordship.
For orders, item number 6.
Yes, ma'am.
His Lordship, in the previous occasion, Mr. Elirali has appeared for respondent number 1. But since
No
he's
one,
not here today, it may be listed after vacation.
my vacation is still quite far away. Time was short for filing a wakalat nama.
Yes, Lordship.
Any wakalat nama file, Mr. Kiangami, you for
Respondent number 2, Lordship. State is more or less pro forma, Lordship.
respondent number 2.
Yes.
The Deputy Commissioner.
Why this interdepartmental dispute?
Lordship, I've received no instructions of.
No, you must have at least gone through the petition. If you are representing the deputy commissioner. Mr. M.S. Sonso, Learned Counsel for the petitioner. And Mr. Kiangami, Learned Senior Government Advocate for the respondent number 2. 1 week's time is further granted to Mr. L. Iralu, Learned Counsel, to file power on behalf of the respondent number 1. No power has been filed, no? Listed after a week.
There is an interim, Lordship.
The interim order passed earlier shall continue till the next returnable date.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
From the supplementary cost list for motion, item number 7.
May it please, my lord. Lordship, in order to save my lord's time, I may be allowed to take my lord to,
Where's the advertisement?
yes, page 26, annex 1. Page 26. Combined educational and
Page
technical.
26.
Yes, my lord. Annex 1, page 26, Combined Educational and Technical Services Examination 2023. Issued by the Nagaland Staff Selection Board on 15th of December 2023. Now, the petitioners are at item number 4, Lordship, that very page. A&M / FHW, Health and Family Welfare, and number of posts is 61, Lordship. Now, the educational qualification in that same annexure, Lordship, appears at page 29, the first column, top column, Lordship. Page 29, item 4, A&M / FHW, Health and Family Welfare, 2 years course in A&M. So, my lord, A&M is a course as well as a post. FHW is only a post, as per this advertisement, Lordship. Now, annexures 2A to 2Q are our admit cards and our A&M certificates, Lordship. By annexure 3, Lordship, which appears at page 68. This is a notification.
68.
Yes, my lord, declaring the results of the successful candidates.
68.
Yes, Lordship.
Just with 66, 67,
68.
68.
Yes, Lordship.
Notification.
Yes.
By
By
the basis of marks secured by candidate, who has written examination, the Nagaland State is pleased to declare the following candidates bearing roll number so eligible to go for Viva Voice post.
this, Lordship.
Selected candidate for Viva. Twenty-fourth.
Yes,
June.
Lordship. 22nd May 2024, Lordship.
The Viva Voice is scheduled to commence from 24th.
Yes, Lordship, it has been extended, maybe perhaps after ULB election, and then it is to commence from 1st of July, Lordship, that is coming Monday.
Where is that?
I have annexed that notification also, Lordship.
Okay.
I'll come to that
So
later.
in accordance with section 5, so the following roll numbers are shortlisted. Your roll number is here.
Yes, Lordship.
Which one?
17 of us, Lordship.
Wh-
I have
Okay,
3000728 300.
17 of you.
Yes, 17 of us, Lordship.
You were all shortlisted for Viva.
Yes, Lordship. There are others who were also selected. In fact, 48 of us, Lordship.
But the petitioner 16.
Petitioners are 17, Lordship.
17.
Yes, only 17 of us have approached this court, Lordship.
And then
Then, Lordship, by the impugned corrigendum issued on 23rd May 2024, that is the very next day at page 77, Lordship. Annexure 5, page 77.
Page
77, 77, 77.
77. Huh.
Our selection was cancelled, Lordship. And 68 other candidates were declared successful and they were invited for Viva, Lordship. Now, Lordship, the reason for this corrigendum, Lordship, it has been given by the NSSP at page 78. The type copy is at page 79, Lordship. Relevant paragraph is at page 80, paragraph 7, Lordship. This is a letter written by the controller of examination at
Relevant paragraph is that?
page 80, paragraph 7, Lordship. They changed the qualifications, Lordship. Now, therefore, if I may read, the board has prepared fresh list of results based on the merit of all the candidates with A&M/FHW combined. Consequently, the board rectified this error and published as revised merit list on 23/5/2024, which included diploma in A&M and female health worker certificate holders.
What was the qualification? First qualification required?
A&M for 2 years, Lordship.
A&M for 2 years.
Yes, diploma
And
and
here
they have included FHW certificate.
they have included what?
FHW certificate, female health worker certificate.
Diploma in, you are having this qualification diploma.
No, I am having only A&M, Lordship. Diploma in A&M, Lordship, because that is the only
You are having
qualification.
diploma in,
A&M,
what is the A&M?
auxiliary nurse midwife.
Auxiliary nurse. So you are having diploma in this A&M.
Yes, Lordship. I have annexed my certificates also, Lordship. Course completion certificates.
And female health. So the both diploma in A&M and female health worker
Yes,
certificate.
Lordship. Yes,
So
Lord.
this female health worker is the extra qualification.
Yes, Lordship. After the selection process was over, Lordship. And Lordship, till now, the information that we have received is that, Lordship, this change was also made without consulting the Department of Health and Family Welfare.
Yes, Mr. Incham, something seems to be wrong.
Apparently, the NSSB is the main respondent. They are the authority who has conducted the examination and declared the result. Now, as far as we have also received a representation from the aggrieved candidates. Now, Lordship, if I may be allowed, Lordship, off the record, Lordship. The requisition sent by us is qualification required for A&M. A&M is a course, Lordship, plus a post. It's a
A&M is a qualification plus the post.
post, yes. FHW is a post, not a qualification. Female health worker, it's a post, Lordship. Lordship, may kindly appreciate that. Female health worker is a post equivalent to A&M post. Either the person can join as A&M or FHW.
So NSSB themselves, they are confused. It
Apparently,
shows.
apparently, we have communicated to the NSSB also, Lordship. But apparently, this has been done without consulting us. The fact remains, Lordship. But off the record, Lordship. Because we have not filed any affidavit, we will be filing affidavit, though we are performing Lordship. So we need to clarify certain.
I will record a statement that it is reliably learned that actually
My
the
lord,
new qualification was introduced without consulting the health and family welfare.
my lord, my lord.
Now, Lordship, as per the Indian Nursing Council guidelines, they can have only A&M School of Nursing. FHW certificate, Lordship, that is something new to us. Because that is a post. And going by the requisition sent by us, Lordship, though it's not on record, but we have gone through the requisition sent by us. So the qualification required as per the format is 10+2 and diploma in A&M. That is 2 years
So
diploma.
you are 10+2 plus diploma in A&M.
Yes, Lordship.
So apparently the justification given by the NSSB is that they have prepared the new list, cancelling the first by adding FHW certificate. Which as per our department Lordship report, we don't have any course as such as FHW.
Are you for NSSB?
Lordship, it's an autonomous body, so the government cannot represent them. And as far as the department is concerned, the Kohima Lordship, the medical department.
You assist me, okay? I'll dictate,
My lord, my lord.
okay?
My lord.
We stay. So far as which post?
A&M.
A&M is concerned,
So
Lordship.
far as A&M.
Yes.
Item
and-
number 4.
Yes, item number 4 and the annexure 8, Lordship, the notification for Waiwa, Lordship.
No, Lordship, as far as the advertisement is concerned, there's no infirmity.
Yes,
No,
Lord.
no. Item, acha.
Annexure 8,
So annexure,
Apparently, they are aggrieved by the current gender issue. Yes.
annexure,
8, Lordship.
annexure 8, which
Yes, by
page?
which page 83.
Page 83.
Yes, Lordship. By this, the newly selected candidates
Annexure 8, page
have been called for Waiwa.
83.
And apparently, even annexure 7, page 77 also.
Yes, Lordship. Page 77 also may be stayed, my lord. Annexure 5.
This is.
Page 77.
Yes, my lord, annexure 5.
Oh, cancelling your candidature.
Yes, Lordship.
By this, they have been replaced.
We stay. I think there's something wrong. Prima facie.
On all fairness, Lordship. For us also, we have sent requisition very specifically, the qualification required. 10+2 and
That,
diploma.
that will support the case of the
In
petitioner
effect, yes,
when you file the affidavit,
Lordship.
because that will show that what qualification was
Yes.
required and sent to the NSSB.
Because we never issue any certificate as FHW certificate.
Uh-huh.
And
It
as
is a
per-
post, as you say.
Yes, it is a post.
Okay,
SDO is not a course, Lordship.
correct.
SDO is a post.
SDO is a post. Yes, so I think you will be able to assist the court
Yes, sir.
with all these details.
Yes, Lordship.
But in the meantime, we stay this page 82, page 77 and 83.
Yes,
lord.
Lordship.
Okay,
My lord.
heard Mr. Santianger, the Learned Counsel for the petitioner. Shall I record your names?
Lordship, at this stage, no, Lordship. Let the
No,
notice go,
okay.
Lordship.
Ma'am, you are for? You are for? Okay. And MSAIME, the Learned Government Advocate, representing the state respondent number 1.
Lordship, I'll accept notice for respondent 5 and 6, health and family.
Learned Government Advocate for the respondent number 1, 5 and 6, okay? by the advertisement dated 15/12/2023, issued by the Government of Nagaland, Nagaland Staff Selection Board, Nagaland Kohima. Online applications were invited from indigenous inhabitants of Nagaland for filling up Group C vacancies under the Government of Nagaland to be recruited by the Nagaland Staff Selection Board within bracket NSSB. Stop. The present petition is with regard to the post of A&M
Yes, Lordship,
/ FHW,
my lord.
which is item number 4, correct,
Yes, Lordship.
of the advertisement dated
12,
15/12/2023. Stop. Altogether in item number 4 of the advertisement, 61 posts of A&M / FHW were advertised,
Lordship.
correct?
Yes, Lordship. The education qualification.
Yes, in the advertisement dated 15/12/2023. The educational qualification prescribed for A&M / FHW post is 2 years course in A&M,
Lordship,
correct?
Lordship.
Stop. The petitioners, 17 in numbers, correct?
Yes, Lordship.
Applied for the post of A&M
Yes, Lordship. A&M / FHW.
/ FHW.
Female health worker.
Yes. And were selected,
Yes, Lordship.
correct?
Yes, Lordship.
Thereafter, stop. Thereafter, by the notification dated 22/5/2024,
Lordship.
the petitioners, along with others, what do we say? Were shortlisted for Viva Voice
Yes,
exam?
Lordship. Lordship.
A notification dated, ma'am, 22/5/2024. No? The petitioners were shortlisted for Viva Voice exam,
Lordship.
which was scheduled to commence on 24 June 2024. The same was however extended and is to be commenced on
1st of July.
1/7/2024. Thereafter, what happened?
Thereafter, the very next day, Lordship, a corrigendum was issued.
Which one? Which is?
Page 77. Yes, annexure 5.
Page 77, correct?
Yes, Lord.
Sandeep?
Yes, Lordship.
Page 77.
By this, 48 candidates who were selected earlier were cancelled their selection, and 68 other candidates were selected for Viva.
So however, by the corrigendum dated 23/5/2024, issued by the NSSB, the petitioners who had been previously selected to appear for Viva Voice exam was cancelled. Correct?
Yes, Lordship.
Then we come to page 83.
Yes, Lordship. Page, Lordship, I'm sorry, page 78, Lordship, Annexure 6.
Page 78.
Yes, Lordship. The typed copy is at page 79 and 80, Lordship, and the
Page.
typed copy is at page 79 and page 80.
Okay, okay.
Paragraph 7, the relevant paragraph appears at page 80. By which, this is written by the Controller of Examination, NSSP. By this paragraph, they have admitted that they have changed the education qualification by including FHW certificate.
It is submitted by Mr. Sentianger, the learned counsel for the petitioner, that the reason for cancelling the Viva Voice exam of the petitioner is the letter dated 29/5/2024, issued by the Nagaland Staff Selection Board, in which the educational qualification, correct,
Yes, Lordship.
for ANM/FHW has been incorporated as diploma in ANM and female health worker certificate holders.
Lordship.
Mr. Sentianger submits that. The same is contrary to the educational qualification prescribed in the advertisement dated
15/12/2023.
15/12/2023. In short, Mr. Sentianger, the learned counsel for the petitioner submits that this is purely a case where the rules of the game has changed
Yes, Lordship.
after the game has commenced.
Yes.
And in that view of the matter, page 77,
And page 83.
the corrigendum dated 23/5/2024, issued by the NSSB, and page 83, correct?
Yes, Lordship.
And the notification dated 26/2024, also issued by the NSSB, is prima facie illegal and not tenable in law. Stop. Issue notice to the respondents. Returnable after
4 weeks, Lordship.
4 weeks.
Lordship, I have also taken a particular stand in my writ petition, Lordship. Till now, I only know the roll numbers of the selected candidates by the impugned corrigendum, Lordship. I'm taking active steps to know the names and particulars. So I have mentioned in my writ petition that after I come to know their details and particulars, Lordship, I'll be filing appropriate application before this honorable court. For
Selected
the
candidates by which this thing?
impugned corrigendum dated 23/5/2024. Page 77, my lord.
Page 77.
I have taken that statement, that stand in paragraph 15 of my writ petition.
Yes, page 77. Paragraph
15, Lordship, which appears at page 19 of my writ petition. No, paragraph 17, Lordship. Page 19, paragraph 17.
What was the last name? Last. No, issue notice, wait. Cancel that, issue notice, cancel that issue notice. Prior to that,
That this is purely a case where the rules of the game is changed after the game is commenced and it is not anything other. The original dated 23/5/2024 issued by the NSSB and the notification dated 26/2024 also issued by the NSSB is finally reviewed and not tenable.
not tenable. New para, Mr. Santi, for the submits that the particulars of the 68 candidates whose roll numbers were not reflected in the notification number NSSB/exam-4/2023/59 dated 22/5/2024 within bracket annexure 3 to the writ petition.
But were reflected.
But were reflected only in the impugned corrigendum dated 23/5/2024. Annexure 5 within bracket annexure 5 to the writ petition are not known to the petitioners. Stop. The learned counsel, they've accordingly submits that
Lordship, I may be allowed to collect information.
the 68 candidates, correct?
Yes, Lordship, and implement them as
Will
private
be
respondents.
implemented as private respondents as and when their details and particulars are received by filing appropriate application/affidavit.
My lord.
Issue notice to the respondents. Returnable after 4 weeks. Since MSAIME, the learned government advocate, accepts notice on behalf of respondent number 1, 5, and 6,
My lord.
no formal notice need be issued. Stop. The learned counsel for the petitioner shall however serve requisite copies of the writ petition to the learned government advocate
Within the course of the day, Lord.
in the course of the day. Insofar as service of notice upon respondent number 2, 3,
And 4.
4, 2, 3, 2, 3, and 4 are concerned, the learned counsel for the petitioner shall take steps for service of notice upon the said respondents by registered post with AD within a period of
3 days, Lordship.
3 days from today. In the interim, considering the matter in its entirety, this court in the interim is inclined to stay. This corrigendum is only for ANM,
Yes, Lordship.
no?
Yes, Lordship.
So we need not make any mention in respect of
No, Lord.
serial number so and so of the,
Yes,
no?
Lordship.
Oh, what was that? What was that, ma'am? This court is inclined to grant interim stay of the corrigendum number NSSB slash EXAM dash 4 slash 14 slash 2023 dated 23/5/2024. Correct?
Yes, Lordship.
And the notification number NSSB slash EXAM, okay, dash 4 slash CTS slash 1 slash
Dash one.
dash 1, sorry, I'm sorry, dash 1 slash 18 slash 2023 dated 26/2024. Till the next returnable date. It is made clear that the Viva Voce interview
Lordship.
for the post of
ANM slash
ANM
slash
slash
FH.
FHW.
Lordship.
Shall not commence,
Yes, Lordship.
correct?
Lordship.
Should
What?
not on 1st July, should not commence.
Shall not commence till the next returnable. Shall not commence, is it the right word?
Shall not conduct, Lordship.
Shall
Shall
not-
not, the interim should not conduct the exam. By voice. They should not
What
conduct.
was that? It is. What was the last line?
Shall not be conducted, Lordship.
Shall not commence slash
Conduct
be conducted till
the next.
the next returnable date.
Lordship.
I think we make it clear.
Yes,
Lordship.
Lordship. Yes.
Okay,
Lordship.
okay.
Because here the post is concerned, Lordship. The word, the very word, post and the course.
Correct,
Actually, that would
correct. I
differentiate.
think they are confused with that.
Yes. In
You,
fact,
you are right. FNM, no?
FHW,
FHW is a post.
post.
Yes, Lordship.
ANM is also a post plus a course,
Huh.
like GNM,
And the degree required for ANM post is diploma in ANM.
ANM, yes.
Ah, see.
FHW is not there, any course as such. Because as per the Indian Nursing Council rules,
Ah,
a hospital a state can have its own ANM school of nursing.
okay, okay, okay.
But apparently, as outside the court, Lordship,
Uh.
we were shown a certificate, FHW School of Nursing.
No, the problem arises because actually they have not consulted the men department.
Yes,
That
yes.
is the
So
problem.
when we contacted Lordship, that's outside the court. Lordship.
Yes.
When we contacted the NSSB, have you written to us with regard to the
Ah,
clarification?
correct, correct.
No, the complaint came, so. we have
Yes,
changed it.
because actually NSSB is not the authority to prescribe qualifications.
Yes,
Lordship.
and in our requisition, Lordship, we have clearly specifically stated 10+2 and diploma in A&M. Even in the qualification that was in the advertisement, 2 years of in A&M. That is not clear, Lordship. Because whatever requisition we have sent, they should specifically mention 10+2 diploma in A&M.
Okay, okay.
Even in the advertisement, they have wrongly
Okay,
written
thank
2
you,
years in
Mr.
A&M.
Cham, for your assistance.
Lordship, if my lord can kindly make accommodations to, so that I'll receive the CDC to their lordship, because there is urgency.
In view of, you add one more line. In view of the urgency expressed by the learned counsel for the petitioner, the certified true copy of the order shall be furnished to the learned counsel in the course of the day.
Lordship.
Okay, okay.
I am obliged.